Hi, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Today we're carrying on the series on algebra, again the most difficult topic in 11 plus for maths. Today we'll be talking on equations. What are equations? So let's spin up our whiteboard and jump straight to it. Okay, so we have done adding and subtracting letters and multiplying letters and substitution. So if you haven't done the first video, watch that first because this carries on from that. Otherwise you won't be able to understand it. So what are equations? So equations when something equals something else. So as an example, 3 plus 4 equals 7. So this bit equals that bit. Okay? So one circle equals another circle. Okay? And that's what equation is. Something equals something else. Now, in algebra equations, we have something equals something else, but we have a letter there, and the letter stands for the unknown. It's the mystery. You have to work out what that letter stands for. So solving an equation means working out. Solving an equation means working out what the letter stands for. What does letter stand for? Okay. You must remember your algebra basic skills we covered in video 1 of the series. So adding, subtracting letters, multiplying letters. So you must know how to do these to do this course. So so these are two strategies of how to solve the unknown letter. Two strategies. Okay. So we'll list them out here. The first one, you have to get the letter by itself. Okay, so if you pretend with no friends, so you pretend you're someone there sitting with no friends watching a movie, that's what you have to do with the letter. The letter has to have no friends, has to be by itself. You have to try and make the letter by itself. And the second one, this is the most important one, you've got to treat the equal sign as a magic mirror. And in this magic mirror, if a letter or number jumps over the magic mirror, its sign changes. So if it was plus on one side and jumps over the magic mirror, it becomes the inverse of it, which is minus. If it's minus on one side and jumps over the magic mirror, the equal sign, it becomes a plus. If it's times and jumps over the magic mirror, it becomes divide. Don't forget the magic mirror is the equal sign. And if it's divide and jumps over the magic mirror, it becomes a times. Okay, so remember that. Okay, right. So the best way to do to do this is to do it with example. Let's start with the first one. Let's do let's give an example. Let's do 3x equals 12. Actually, make it easier. Let's just make it as easy as possible. Let's put x plus something. So we'll have x plus 5 equals 7. So you have to work out what x is. Okay, so now, obviously you can work out it's 2, but this is the methodology of doing it. Okay, so when you're doing it for harder expressions or hard equations, you know how to do it. So we're going to make the letter by itself. Just like we said in this diagram, letter by itself, no friends. We have to make that no friends. So it's sitting in the cinema by itself. So to do that, you're going to move everything else on the other side of the magic mirror, the equals to the magic mirror, the equal sign. So here, we're going to move this plus 5 on the other side of the magic mirror, the other side of the equal sign. So here it's plus. If you move it over the magic mirror, the plus turns into a minus. So that means x equals 7 minus 5. Okay, because that plus 5 has jumped from left hand side over the magic mirror to make it a plus. So x 7 minus 5 is 2. So that's what the answer is, x plus 2. Okay, let's do another example. Let's do 3x equals 12. Now here we've got the example. There's a letter and number. If you remember our multiplying letters, or if you're not sure, if you can't remember, go back to algebra 1. And what happens when you multiply letters? They stick together. There's some magic super glue there. So really, that 3 X, it's got some magic super glue. It's really 3 times X. Yeah, so 3 times X, 3 times X. Okay, so remember that's 3 times X. It's got magic super glue. So, okay, right, so I'm going to move that 3, because we want X by itself. No friends sitting up in a cinema by itself. And move that 3 on the other side. On this side, it's times. On the other side of the magic mirror, times goes to divide. So X equals 12 divided by 3. So 12 divided by 3 means it's 4. So X equals 4. Okay, and that's that one there. Final example we'll do with this one here. Okay, we'll do the one example here. 3y minus 4 equals 11. So we're going to move this minus, oops. So we're going to move this, so we're going to move this minus 4 first over the magic mirror. So here it's minus 4. On the other side, it becomes plus. So 3y, that minus 4 is jumped out of the other side, becomes 11 plus 4. So 3y equals 11 plus 4 is 15. Okay. Now remember, 3y really means it's 11 numbers stuck together with magic super glue. So it's really 3 times y. So we're going to move this 3 on the other side of the magic mirror. Here it's times. On the other side, it's going to be divide. So y equals 15 divided by 3. So y equals 15 divided by 3 is 5. So y is 5. Okay, that's it, and that's equations. So yeah, so it gives you a feel of it, and we'll end that video here and move into the last section on algebra.